Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to apply different attributes to the font tag. See, font tag is very important tag in HTML. With the help of font tag we can apply so many attributes, like we can change the face of a font, we can change the color of the font, and we can change the size of the font. So these three basic attributes we are going to learn this video. Let's start doing the coding for this. This is the general structure of any HTML program. Let's give some title: attributes of font tag. Now we will apply one by one three attributes of font. So let's write some textual content on which we are going to apply the different attributes of font. I'm going to write few lines over here. For H1 tag, I'm going to write New Delhi is the capital of India. One more statement I'm going to write: Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. One more sentence I'm going to write: Vadodara is a city in Gujarat state. Now I have written three sentences over here. Just for the sake of example, I'm going to show you how these default statements are going to look in our output. Now you can see by default the font color is black. Now we are going to apply three basic attributes on these three sentences. So for that, obviously we will need a font tag. See, it is a paired tag, so it starts and it having ending tag also. Now in the first sentence, New Delhi is a capital of India, we are going to change its color. By default it's black in color. I'm going to change it into red color. So for the font tag, color is the attribute which we are going to use, and the value of that attribute I'm going to set it as red. I'm going to save this code. Just understand the structure of a font tag. This is the tag, color is the attribute, and red is the value of this color attribute. Remember, value is always written inside the double inverted quotes. So this particular attribute of color has been applied. Now I'm going to check the out. I have refreshed the page and you can see that the first sentence is appearing in red color. Now for the second sentence I'm going to apply different font. So let's write the font tag again and let's end it at the end of the sentence, because I'm going to apply the different font to whole sentence. Font face. Face is the attribute with the help of which you can have different font to your textual content. Now I'm going to use here Cambria font. Cambria. I have saved it and I'm going to the browser. See, before applying the changes, just notice the format or is the font is existing. Now I am refreshing the page. You can see that there is a slight change in the font of second sentence. If you are not noticing or if you are not able to notice that particular change, then I am going to apply some different filler. See this. Now you can see the difference, that the font of the second sentence has been changed to filler. And for the third particular sentence, we are going to change the size of this Vadodara word. So I'm giving a font tag before the Vadodara word and I'm ending immediately after the Vadodara word. So whatever attributes I will apply to the font tag, they will be applicable to the first word, that is only for Vadodara only. So let's apply one attribute, font size equal to, let's assign 20. I'm going to save this. See this, the name of the city Vadodara is displayed in much bigger font because I have applied font size attribute to that particular word with the help of font. So friends, by this way we can apply these three basic attributes of font tag: the font color, font face, change the font, and font size to change the size of the word or complete sentence. These three attributes can be applied to the whole sentence also. If you wish to apply any effect to the whole sentence, then we should end the font tag at the end of the sentence. I hope you understood this video and you have understood how to apply different font attributes. Thank you.